Bonjour, welcome back to my French YouTube channel. So today it's all about Leçon 5, les médias. Media, it's all about the media. We're going to learn about the magazines, the newspaper, what is TV5. So all of that in this lesson. Let's begin. First question, nommez the journaux français. Journaux, newspaper. So you need to name two French newspapers. So Le Monde et Le Figaro. So the journaux français. Next question, nommez the magazine français. La Femme Actuelle et Elle. La Femme Actuelle, Elle. So these are the names of two French magazines. Next question, qu'est-ce un quotidien? So I've written three new terms here. Quotidien, hebdomadaire, mensuel. So can you see I've made those keywords also. When you write these small notes, it helps you to learn better. So quotidien, what is quotidien? A quotidien is a journal. It's a newspaper qui paraît. Paraît, it's the word paraître, appears, which appears tous les jours. Qui paraît tous les jours, which appears every day. And what are the two names of quotidien? Le Monde et Le Figaro. Next one, qu'est-ce un hebdomadaire? So what is hebdomadaire? An hebdomadaire, c'est un magazine. It's a magazine qui paraît une fois par semaine. It appears only one time in a week. And two examples of hebdomadaire are Express and Paris Match. Next one, mensuel. Qu'est-ce que mensuel nommé à deux? C'est a magazine qui paraît une fois par mois. So it appears only one time in a month. Example, Le Monde Diplomatique, CL, Espace. Three new terms. I hope it's clear. Quotidien, hebdomadaire, mensuel. Next one, qu'est-ce que TV5? What is TV5? We all know that it's a French channel that's available in India also. TV5 est une chaîne française. It's a French channel considered as an official operator of the Francophonie world. On peut regarder TV5 on it. It's also available in India. Next one, quelles sont les différentes rubriques des journaux? Which are the different columns of a newspaper? La météo, that's the weather. La culture, culture. Le sport, the sports. Les petites annonces, the small announcements are some of the columns of a newspaper. Next one, nommez une review. So what is review that they've not given you? You just have to name one review, that is Le Français dans le Monde. Next one, que veut dire zapper? So that's a new word for you, zapper. Zapper, zapper. What is zapper? C'est passer d'une chaîne à l'autre. It's passing from one channel to another. That's called zapper. Nommez quelques chaînes de télévision français. Name some channels of French television. So Art, Canal Plus, TV5, Paris Premiere. So these are the names of some French channels. Quelle est la différence entre Le Monde et l'Express? So what is the difference? Can you see? Monde I've written here, l'Express is here. So what's the difference? Le Monde est un journal, l'Express est un magazine. Which category? Hebdomadaire. It's very simple. À quoi servent les médias? What is media? Le média nous donne des nouvelles. It gives us the news. It presents des opinions informées and presents us with different opinions. Everybody has a different opinion. Next one, qu'est-ce qui constitue les médias? What constitutes the media? What all things do we have in media? Radio, télévision, presse écrite, written press. Nommez quelques chaînes de radio françaises named from some radio channels. En France, il y a des chaînes de radio comme Europe 1, RFI, France Musique, Radio, etc. So these are the names of some French radio channels. Next one, quel journal achetez-vous? We are on the practice questions now. J'achète the Times of India. They also give you in the bracket to d'autres journaux que l'étudiant aime. So you can also write some other newspaper that you like. This answer can vary. Next one, quelle rubrique lis-tu? Which column do you read? Now again, it's a personalized question. So, je lis les faits divers. I read entertainment and political column. So again, the other answers are possible. Next one, quelles sont vos émissions préférées? Which are your favorite programs? You can even write it directly. Mes émissions préférées sont, and you can write the names of the program directly. Or but they have given you mes émissions préférées sur lesquelles, sans lesquelles, qui se trouvent sur NDTV et Star Movies. So my favorite programs are the which we find on NDTV and Star Movies. A little bit twisted the answer, but if you want to write the programs directly, that's also correct. Last question. Que fait un journaliste pendant un sondage? So what is sondage? That's again a new word for you. What does a journalist do during a sondage? Sondage is a survey. What does the journalist do? Pendant son sondage, il visite des maisons d'édition. He visits the edition houses, okay, the houses of newspapers. Il rencontre des éditeurs. He meet the editors, okay. He goes to the publication houses, then he meets the editors and the writers. Il étudie l'opinion publique. Then he studies the public opinion. Il interview un petit nombre de personnes, and then he interviews the small number of people, and then he writes the article. So this is the format during a survey. So I hope ये media lesson c'est clair. Keep revising, keep learning, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Au revoir.